How to borrow money from Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can borrow money from Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, borrowing option might not be available to all Cash App users, especially in the US. Only a handful of people are selected and given this option. I don't know based on what, but if you don't have borrow option inside your Cash App account, most likely you will never even have it. So what you have to do here is, first of all, open up Cash App, and once you open Cash App, just tap on the home icon that you can find over there, then come to the home tab. Once you've done that, you will see a borrow option. If you have, then when you tap on borrow, you can tap the borrow option after entering the amount that you want to borrow. Then here you can simply tap on the get started option. Then you can simply enter the amount of dollars that you want to go ahead and then borrow over here. So Cash App has given me this amount, where I can tap on next, and here you'll see all the borrow details such as amount, funding speed, fiat fee, and so on. Then you can tap on the next option. Here you can simply confirm your weekly repayment schedule if you want to do this automatic repayment. Then tap on next, and then you can tap on borrow instantly to borrow money from Cash App. So this way you can borrow money from Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.